Hello, all. Welcome to another very interesting geometric problem. Find the largest area of square inside two rectangles. So in this problem, we are given the bottom left coordinate and top right coordinates, and we need to find the area of a square that can be found by the intersection of the two rectangles. So in this problem, let's say blue and green area are overlapping, and this is the common area. And to find the maximum area of the square that can be fit inside, so that will be the minimum of the length and the breadth and its square. Simply. Now, if you see the constraints, the size is 10 to power 3. So I can solve this in n square over time complexity. Now, the idea over is if you need to create a couple of cases, take a pen and paper and try to see, can I form some generalized solution? Let's see. So the things marked are given in my input. Now, if you see carefully, this is the common area. And if you see, the coordinates for this is basically the maximum of the x and y coordinates from the bottom and minimum of the coordinates from the topmost. Similarly, for this also, maximum of the bottom and minimum of the topmost. Same if you take for this minimum max, and they are not intersecting, so we will leave it out. Now, what I've done over is I'm simply iterating from I to n, and j I'm iterating from I plus 1 to n. I'm making bx, by, tx, and ty. Similarly, bottom x coordinate, bottom y coordinate, top x coordinate, top y coordinate. Similarly for the other also. Now, as I told you, I will be taking the minimum of the top two and maximum of the bottoms. Same for the x-axis and same for the y-axis. Once I have that height and width, what I'll do is I will simply see what whom out of which is the minimum. Why so? Because I need to form a square, and square has to be equal side. So minimum of those will contribute to the length. Now, length should be greater than equal to 0 in order to contribute to it. So an answer will be maximum of the answer or length into length square. So we're taking simply the square of the length that we got, and initially answer is my 0. And finally, I will be returning the answer. So that was all for this question. The main crux is that you take pen and paper and try to see different cases and solve this problem. That was for this question. Thank you.